clamp. Okie dokie. Just done some incredible footage with the drone. Just up there behind that rock. It's lush. Up it went. No one bothered me. And today is a Do Not Disturb Steve's day. Okay, Honister Pass. This is my fourth. So I've chucked the camera onto my mirror to get a bit of height, because this ridiculous clamp. Second time I've bought the same clamp. I'm a fool. Anyway, still rattling away there. Let's just hope I get something out of it. I'll just have to come back and do it all again. Oh, stayed in Ennerdale last night. Oh my god, just lush. I had the entire place to myself. The entire place. Weird. The bloody mansion. Absolutely lovely. Great host. Couple of bottles of gear. Couple of gear. Anyway, here we are. Slate Mines of Honister. Everybody thinks of Nigel Mansell. Going away with spades and pickaxes, hope to come back with their lives. Come on, let's go. Let's go. How pretty is this, man? Not sure I want to do the talkie blog. See what the feedback is. If people can be bothered to listen to me mumbling on, I'll continue now and then. Stunning. So we've done the Kirkstone Pass. The struggle's not a pass, it's a bit of a nothing road really, just a shortcut into Ambleside, so we'll not count that one. Then I did Wrynose Pass and Hardknott Pass yesterday, so 3 yesterday. Then it was an hour and a half, something like that, an hour 20 to get here to do this pass. Very nice. I loved coming to do this and getting my drone up. Beautiful, man. Oh dear me, so lucky. See how lucky I am. I don't know if I've left my phone on the rock. Shit. No, I've got it in my pocket. Hot in the mouth moment. I'll have to go all the way back up. It's the 15th of October. It's a date that's embedded in my head for crap reasons. 1987, the hurricane when my ship went down and 6 on board, lost 2 members of the crew. Enough said. So this is the first time I've been away from home on this day. I'm pleased I did, but feels weird being on my own. So I'm back up here at the weekend anyway, back up here at the weekend with the better half, and we're going to be doing, well, we're going to attempt 3 Wrynose weather permitting. We're staying in Ambleside. I'm going to do 2 on one day and knock 1 out on the second day. So we'll see how that goes. By the way, that was Honister Pass, just done. Beautiful. Whee. Absolutely beautiful. I think I might just do all the passes in the lakes, put them all in one little file. If I can get the drone up, it'll be even better, wouldn't it? Because I could really give you a better idea of what it's like, especially people who want them to go. Is it worth it? Is it not? What to look out for? Is my vehicle appropriate? You know, camper vans and things like that. It could be handy for people. I'm not monetized, just for fun. Autumn's the best time of year for me with the colours. I know it's a sad time as well, but I just love it. Keep going. Wee. Pathetic. Shut up. Beautiful slate cottages there on the left. Oh. Hey, honestly, you know, I didn't fall out of love with the lakes. I just sort of like I think I got sick, but I was not exploring it like this a few years ago. What a fool. Oh yeah, there's a little nice cafe down here. They're doing awesome toasty. Where is it? Mightn't be this one. Is it coming up? Is it lunchtime? It's like a working farm. I'm sure it's down here. If you're looking around on the 360, if I've uploaded it to that, this little thing here, quad lock, is a bike clamp. Sorry, camera, phone, sorry, gee on me. Don't buy your teeth online. It's a phone holder, but I bought the charger as well with it. I had a pint in the Woolpack yesterday. I was a bit early for checking in. Only half an hour, I timed the whole day just to perfection, like. It was quiet. It's a nice pub, don't get us wrong, but two guys at the bar, the barman, just talking politics, man. Talking Trump and everything, and I'm not going to do that right now, I promise, but it's enough to see me out the door quick as. It's a nice river. I don't know where I'm going, by the way. I've got no plan. I'm just riding. Look at this, man. This is the plan. It's a nice river. Get him, get him, get him. Likes riding the brake, doesn't he? On again. Yeah, me. On again. Call this day 2 of the lake, shall we? I just don't want to go home. I've told the other half I didn't want to come home. She couldn't sleep last night. Want you home? I'm like, okay. If you say so. Where am I going? Thanks a lot, mate. I know I am. So I did a Wainwright, man. Hey, never. I know exactly where I am. telling a lie. Tell a lie. Oh, I need the map, I know that. Yes, it is. Seal fell. There you go. Carry on up here, and there's a little church on the right hand side. Oh, moving out my way. That's where I took my daughter for her first Wainwright to walk just a few weeks ago. Great achievement for her, absolutely so proud. It was one of my favourite days in a long time. You go past these, somebody's cut the hedges in the shape of animals. Sure, this is along here somewhere. Quite funny. Bit further up it is. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Look at that. It's definitely not Sail Fell. I'm 100% wrong what I was saying there. Ignore all of that. My God. I'm not going home, I'm not going home, I'm not going home. There went. So in the Keswick. Yeah, Keswick, anyone hasn't been, super busy. Everything you need there. But oh my God, you can't get moved. Bah, not for me. Okie doke, kill this for a little while.